All right, guys, I don't know about you, but I've tried to build these and put them together before races and rides way too many times. Sometimes you get pretty close to right. Sometimes you find yourself out on the trail with the tool that you need and somehow didn't make it in the bag. BOXO has finally made a product that has it ready for you, ready to go. From what I hear, you're gonna have everything you need. So let's crack it open and take a look and see what's inside. You got some pretty nice straps, sturdy straps that aren't gonna go anywhere, so you're not gonna have tools bouncing around in the middle of your ride trying to figure out what that noise is. Ooh, like I said, pretty sturdy, but it comes undone. Little pouch and some Velcro to keep all those things inside. Yep, they're not gonna go anywhere on you. Especially when you spend the money on the tools, you don't want to lose them or be without them. Most of the stuff's pretty well sorted in. Let's take a look and see what we got. All right, this crescent wrench is pretty rad. It's got little notches on the inside to make sure you don't slip off bolt or nut, whatever you're tightening on. Good rubber grip, good grip on it. But one thing that's pretty cool, and it's got little arrows on it. So that way you know which side to put it on to get the proper grip with it. You know, great if you didn't know that, and great, you know, when you're teaching, you know, your friends or your kids or whatever, how to use the tools properly. It's a really cool idea that BOXO did to just putting that little bit of extra work into everything to make this kit as great as it is. Like, they really thought about everything when they were building it. We got needle nose pliers, some cutters on there, always handy. Ratchets, tight, you're not shaking around. Smooth grip that thing, it's not gonna hurt your hands. You know, they got everything you need. You know, you got a full party. And what's cool about this kit too is it doesn't have to be just for your side-by-side. You know, you can throw this thing in your truck, your car, your RV, whatever it is, and bring this thing with you. It's kind of weird to say, but I'm looking forward to the next time we break down out there so I can bust this thing open and see how well it really works. I mean, I can already tell, but it's like everything's there. I'm not gonna dig. You know, you got your socket rails in this nifty little bag. And what's cool about it too is, you know, it's probably hard to see from that camera angle, but you got your two socket rails. That's not gonna go anywhere. So hopefully you don't lose anything when it all gets back together. And even if it does pop out, the way they put this kit together, which I've tried to do and I have yet to be successful, is it's in a little pouch. Like, it's not, you know, you got backup safety measures so you're not gonna lose anything, you know? It's good. You can fit more in this bag, so, you know, Polaris, Can-Am, Honda, Yamaha, whatever, if there's any specialty parts for that stuff, you could just pack it in there. Duct tape, zip ties. I mean, you put a car back together with duct tape and zip ties. I've seen it. You got your 1/4 inch sockets, your 1/4 inch ratchet, you got your 3/8 socket plugs, extensions, Torx, 2 1/2 inch ones for your breaker bar. And I know each car is a little different, you know, and if you want to tweak it for your, you know, your truck or your RV, you know, there's room on some of this stuff to add a couple extra pieces that you can get individually from BOXO. They really thought about everything about putting this thing together to make it just work. I know this is unbelievable. 2 10mm side by side. So you got your 1/4 inch and your 3/8, which you know you're gonna lose one of them, so it's pretty handy to have. The only other thing you might wanna do is, so you're not digging for what's what, is you label it out, and then that way too, before each ride or drive or road trip, whatever you're taking this toolkit for, you can just open it up real quick and see that everything is in its right place and it's there. 10mm, know those go missing a lot. And if there's any other, you know, socket sizes or wrench sizes you use a lot for your car, Those are the ones that always go missing, and you can just pop it open super quick and check to make sure and you're ready to go. You know, you got your hammer, which I know most people probably don't carry because you're going to use the crescent wrench or the breaker bar as a hammer. But these things come in pretty handy, and the way they put this kit together, BOXO did, it all folds together and doesn't take up that much more space, which is amazing that you could put a hammer in this kit and it's not this big bulky thing. All right, and then when you're done, what I love about this kit the most is just everything slides back into its home. It's got a little place to go. You don't have to waste time fumbling to figure out where to put it or just get frustrated and throw it in the bag and then you got a nightmare to deal with the next time. BOXO did an amazing job making everything have its own little spot. It all goes back together super quick in the right place so you know that it's there. Boom, all back together. There we go. Put your Velcro on first. Velcro, just roll this thing back up. Just show you how quick and easy this is. I like to make the noises. It just makes it fun. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can. There you go. That quickly, you're good to go. Throw it in your side-by-side, UTV, truck, trailer, RV. This thing is awesome. Show you how awesome that is. Thank you, BOXO.